Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can change the view on Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Now, to change the view, you can do that in a couple of different ways. I'll be focusing on the PC version, however, I will be explaining some other things on the mobile version. So let me actually start with the one thing I want to mention on the mobile version. That thing is that you can look at the map from something that isn't directly from up to down, and you can skew the image pretty much. You can just tap and hold with two fingers and then just drag them along in the same direction, and that's gonna skew the view to an angle, and you can look at the map from an angle similarly to how you would look during navigation. Now, to change the view on the PC version, of course, you can zoom in and zoom out. That goes without saying, but you can also change the view to satellite view just like this by clicking on the layers in the bottom left. You can also do this in the mobile version as well from the options in your profile icon. You can also add terrain. You can also add traffic if you want to. You can also add transit, biking, etc. And now, as you can see, I have a lot of different views over here. Now, as you can see, you can only look at traffic, transit, or biking. That is one of the three. You can't look at all three at once. However, you can access terrain at any at any moment. Then you can go into the more details or more tools. You can look for wildfires, air quality, street view. Even you can see where street view is available, and then of course you can just click on any section and click on it, and it'll take you directly into street view. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.